What's up guys, this is Raf and welcome back. So for today's video, we will be unboxing my very first Android smartwatch, which is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. I've been thinking on getting an Android smartwatch even before. So fortunately, I was able to get this Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 for a very cheap price. So I've bought it. So this is the Watch 5 44mm Wi-Fi edition with a silver white color. It does have a 16 gig of storage and 1.5 gig of RAM, and it's powered by Wear OS. So I was able to get it in Shopee for around 7,600 to 6,000 pesos or less than 150 US dollars, which is a very good deal for a smartwatch already. And no worries, I've put the link on the description as well. So without any further ado, let's unbox it. So here's the first look of the Watch 5 itself. But let's check the other things in the box first. We have here its USB Type-C magnetic charger cable. We also have here its quick start guide. So first impression on the watch. The band is silicone and feels soft and comfortable. It is a round watch with flat display and with a aluminum frame, which really looks good and well built. On its back are its sensors, which include electrical heart sensor, optical heart rate sensor, infrared temperature sensor, bioelectrical impedance analysis sensor, and this smartwatch is ECG certified as well. So I like the silver matte on its frames and the buttons are clicky. So it does have a bigger display than its predecessor, which is a 1.4 Super AMOLED display. It is protected with sapphire crystal as well. So let's turn it on and set it up. In order to set up the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5, we will need to have an Android phone. Unfortunately, we can't connect or use an Apple devices, so sorry Apple fans. So I'm using my Samsung S24 Ultra, and you will need to have also the Samsung wearable app in setting up and connecting the Watch 5. So it's trying to download its software, which might take a few seconds. It is asking some permissions now, and I'll just leave out the optional permissions, and let's continue. And it's trying to connect again. So it is trying to sync now with my Google account. Of course, since this is an Android smartwatch, we definitely need to have a Google account in order for us to use Google services, especially the Google Assistant, which I'm really excited to test and use. So it's now updating its Google Play Store. And since this is an Android, we can download some pretty cool apps. Let's just click continue and I'll probably customize the apps later once it is fully set up. Let's click next. Since I'm a lefty, this is all good and let's click next again. So let's set up the workout routines later. Then let's click next again. Then click next again one more time. And alright, let's just continue and let's just set up and finish this one. Alright, so let's just continue and finish the setup once and for all. After a few minutes of setting up, we are all done. So here is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. So first impression on its UI and its software, it is pretty much an Android. With its navigation is mostly gesture, so you won't be totally lost on it. You can use swipe around the edges of the screen to scroll quickly as well. I like its haptic feedback so far, and its UI navigation is responsive and very fluid. It does have some pretty customizable watch faces as well. Definitely I'll be doing some more testing on the smartwatch, especially on the fitness side, as I decided to use this for that purpose, and of course to be my daily driver. So that is my Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 unboxing and first impressions in 2025. So thank you for watching my video, please like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon. Peace out.